As of now, we have filed our wakalatnama, and based on that, the judicial custody has been remanded for a period of 14 days, and the next date of hearing would be 6/7, that is 6th of July 2024. As of now, we don't have any instructions with regard to the bail matter. So once we have an update, we take appropriate instructions. We'll update you.
Is there any possibilities that the CID would seek his custody once they get it officially handed over?
Probably. Let them take the charge. So it is. Let us see. In due course, you will get to know.
There's no timeline, sir, of when you're expecting to move for bail?
As of now, we will update you.